Hello, good evening. My name is Sana Baskara. I want to present to everybody else about my thoughts and experiences about the urgency of physical media and the algorithms that starts to change the way our live. The first one is every day we consume more content than we can remember. It is like songs, images, ideas that passing through us endlessly, like they never exist. But when was the last time something truly stayed with you? That is the question. Are we still experiencing or are we just consuming? Today I want to talk about responsible consumption, not only in terms of what we buy, but also in how we experience culture in the digital age. This idea is closely connected to Sustainable Development Goal number 12, that is responsible consumption and production. We often associate overconsumption with physical goods such as fast fashion, plastic waste, excessive packaging. But there is another form of consumption that we rarely question: the way we consume content. We are living in a time where everything is available instantly. Music, films, artworks, even identities are constantly presented us through algorithms. We scroll, we skip, we move on. And because of that, everything starts to feel like temporary. We are not lacking an access, we are lacking an attachment. I realized this through my own experience as someone who is involved in printmaking and do-it-yourself DIY culture. I often engage with physical forms of media, as I like to present to you, such as zines, prints, and self-produced publications. In this space, nothing is instant. Nothing is instant. And what I mean by that, you have to create it for yourself. You have to wait. You have to hold it in your hand like it's a tangible thing. You can feel, you can read through the pages, you can see the printing quality, like who made it. And somehow, I think that process changed the way we value things. A zine or a printed page is not just a bunch of an image, and also a zine is not just a content. I think they carry time, effort, and intention. To put it in contrast, digital content often removes that sense of presence. We are encouraged to consume quickly, react quickly, and also forget quickly. Even something that was once considered authentic, like analog aesthetics or DIY culture, has now become a trend. It is packaged, reproduced, and consumed again. Authenticity itself has become a commodity. So the question is, are we really experiencing culture or are we just consuming it? Responsible consumption, as highlighted in the SDG number 12, is not only about reducing waste in material form. It is also about developing awareness about how our habits shape the systems around us. When we consume without reflection, we support a cycle of endless production and disposability, even in the culture. But when we slow down, we begin to shift that cycle. We can choose to engage more deeply to support local and independent creators such as the zine making culture, to appreciate a few things but with more meaning. We can choose presence over speed. By that means, this does not mean rejecting technology, but it means using it more consciously. Because at the end of the day, culture is not meant to be something that we just pass through, but it is something that we are meant to feel, to remember, and to carry with us, just like simple pages on this zine. Maybe the problem is not that the world is too loud. Maybe we just forget how to listen. Thank you.